Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Granbury, Texas, and Pecan Plantation. Our basement is finished. Swimming pool is going to go in right behind that wall, right attached to our basement. I know people keep saying that you can't build a swimming pool that close to a basement. You can if it's a sealed basement. The Basement Kings is the only company that I'm familiar with in Texas that builds a sealed basement, but we do it every day. It's not a problem. But the main thing that you want to notice is our drainage. On the outside, you're going to see that line going up at the front. Well, you can't see that fall, but this area here floods coming from the beginning of that fence area at the end. And that area, we know that is going to collect and bring water to our basement. So what we are doing is we put in our French drain system that we've already put in the first one, which is over to the left. You can see a pipe sticking out of the ground further up right there to the left. And that's going to expand outward as a swell and a drainage ditch. And you're going to be able to see this pipe that we've already placed in here. This is a very light pipe. Now, normally you would like to use a Schedule 40 PVC pipe, but if it's very close to the surface, if you're putting something in and it's within 12 inches of the surface, PVC Schedule 20 will work pretty well, because we're just bringing it here to the end. And right here, you will notice there's a bunch of our trees here, and we don't want to lose any of our trees or break any of our roots. So what are we going to do here? You can't leave a pipe in the ground that is sitting down about 2 or 3 feet. So this is where we're going to put in our pump. Our pump is going to be able to forcefully send it any direction that we want. In this case, a little bit further back, right around towards the trees, and then it'll just dissipate into the soil, because right behind us is a lake. And this is where we want it to go. But we want to be able to control the water. And anytime you want to control the water, you want to use a pump. So we like using customized basins and customized pumps. You don't want to just put in any type of pump. If you're not sure, you can always give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. But it is very important to use the correct pump for whatever job you have, because all pumps aren't made to shove water 30, 40, 50, 60 feet. Okay? So now that we've seen it, let's get busy.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.